Hello students, Swati again. So in the previous videos we have understood the poem, its summary, and we have also discussed the rhyming scheme used in the poem. In this video we are going to understand the literary devices used in this. So line by line we will try to find out the literary devices. So in the first line and in the second line, so you can see that the first two lines are beginning with the same word some and some. So which literary device is this? This is anaphora. ANAPHORA. So when anaphora is used, when two or more lines begin with the same word, then anaphora is used. So this is, I think, clear. Now we will find out another literary device, that is enjambment. ENJAMBMENT. Now first we see what is enjambment. So enjambment is a figure of speech in which one line continues to the other without any punctuation mark. Clear? So you can see that line 1 does not have any punctuation mark. It does not have any comma, it does not have any colon, or it does not have any question mark. So there is no punctuation mark. The punctuation mark is there in the line 2. So in line 1 and 2 there is enjambment. Again line 3 does not have any punctuation mark. So line 3 and 4 has enjambment. See, then in line 6, sorry, this will be 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is line 6, 7, 8, 9. So these line 6 continues to line 9, right? So from here to here to here, so up to here the same literary device enjambment continues. Clear? Now alliteration, which is very common, that has been discussed a lot many times in the classroom. ALLITERATION. Alliteration has been used where? In line 1 and 2. See, in some say, the first line, the first word sa, the sound sa has been repeated. In the second line also the sound sa has been repeated. So the repetition of sound, the consonant sound, in two or more consecutive word is called what? Alliteration. So in these two lines alliteration has been used. That is clear. Now in this line also, in line 4 alliteration has been used. How? Because these two words, favor, fire, both these words begin with the same sound fa, right? So here also alliteration has been used. Now another literary device that has been used is assonance. ASSONANCE. So where assonance has been used? It has been used in the line 1. How? Because first, what is assonance we should understand. So assonance is the repetition of vowel sound, and this vowel sound will not be repeated in the beginning of the sentence or beginning of the word, but it will be repeated in the end or in the middle of the word. So see here, some say the world will end in fire, that is line 1. So will, I sound is very prominent here. In I sound is very prominent, the vowel I sound. Then fire, I sound again is very prominent here. So here assonance has been used. Now in line 4 also, I hold with those who favor fire. Two sounds are there. One is O, which is very dominating, which is very prominent, O sound, and another is I sound. See, right from the first word, I, fire. So everywhere in this line we will find that I and O sound is very much prominent. Now again in line 6, I think I know enough of hate. This line. In this line also I and O sound are very prominent, very dominating. You can see I is here in the very first. Then in think also I is there. Then again I is here. So I sound is very prominent. O is also very dominating here. O, no, enough, of. So everywhere the sound O is very dominating. So here also what literary device has been used? Assonance. Assonance. Assonance has been used. Now another literary device which has been repeated, which has been used in this poem is consonance. Consonance. Now what is consonance? When the consonant sound is repeated in the word, it is called consonant, right? When the vowel sound is repeated, it is called assonance. Understood? And when the consonant sound is repeated, that is called consonance. So where this consonance has been used, let us find out. So I hold with those who favor fire. See here the sound. The sound has been repeated in with also, in those also. So due to the repetition of the sound here, which literary device has been used? Consonance. So that's it for this poem. All the literary devices has been discussed, all the rhyming scheme has been discussed, the summary has been discussed. So I think the poem must be clear to you. Thank you.